All right. Oh yeah, look at the wave. Oh my gosh, it's such a big wave. Oh, it's gonna totally materialize. Oh, here it is. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Got them all. Huh. I survived. Ah! Whoa. That was pretty rocky. That was rocky. I am so glad I'm not standing. Maybe if I had a wetsuit on, I would be standing the whole time. Oh! You okay? You got it? Oh! You're safe. You're safe. I'll get the chair. I'll get the chair.
No, it's tied to me. Don't worry.
Okay, good. Woo! You made it.
See if my waterproof bag is actually waterproof.
Oh! What a way to taste. It's a way to test it. My glasses have the whole thing recorded for your own personal enjoyment. Oh wow, a pelican. Wow, there's like so much going on. Grab the fish, grab the fish.
Okay.
All right, let's go. You got hit with a lot of waves. You got hit with a lot of waves. From the boat?
Yeah.
The water's nice today though.
Not when you're covered in it.
Let's keep rowing. Keep rowing.
I gotta build up my POVs.
Oh no.